remember this. The only person that cares about your hopes and dreams is you. The only person that is going to make them happen is you. You have three choices in life. You can watch things happen, make things happen, or wonder what the hell happened. Be a good person, but don't waste your time proving it. Stay strong. Even when things begin to fall apart, stay strong. If you want to be trusted, be honest. You're being judged no matter what, so be who you want to be. Forget what hurts you, but never forget what it taught you. When you are angry, stay silent. You don't have to win every argument. Agree to disagree. Even the nicest people have their limits. Control your thoughts, or your thoughts will control you. Don't make a permanent decision based on temporary emotions. Everything is hard before it is easy. You must find your dream, no matter how old you may be. Then the way becomes easy. Never tell your friends your plans. Stop putting too much trust in them. Don't let anyone know what you're doing until it's done. The most ridiculous desire is the desire to please everybody. Mastering others is strength. Mastering yourself is true power. To be the best, you must be able to handle the worst. It is better to make an approximately correct decision than a precise mistake. The greatest evil that can befall a man is that he should come to think ill of himself. You learn nothing from life if you think you're right all the time. He who moves not forward goes backward. One always has enough time if one applies it well. Our friends show us what we can do. Our enemies teach us what we must do. As long as you are alive, no obstacle is permanent.